Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Yes! Today we will share a special 5-minute trick that helps you become fluent faster in English.
Now, we will teach you the first tip. Speak for 5 minutes every day.
That's right, just 5 minutes. You don't need to speak for 1 hour. 5 minutes is enough.
The idea is simple. Pick a topic and talk about it in English for 5 minutes. It can be your day, your breakfast, or your favorite hobby.
For example, you can say, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I drink tea. I go to work, I am happy.
Exactly. And don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to speak continuously for 5 minutes.
Let's practice together. James, tell me what you did this morning.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. I eat bread. I go to work.
Perfect! Very simple sentences, but you are speaking all the time.
Yes. And learners, you can also describe your room. I see a chair. I see a table. The table is brown. The chair is small.
Good idea. Or you can talk about your pets. I have a dog. The dog is happy. The dog plays with a ball.
Fun practice too.
Yes, it is simple and fun. Every day, 5 minutes is enough to improve your fluency.
And remember, learners, you can use a timer. Set 5 minutes and speak about anything in English.
Right, don't stop. Even if you repeat words, it is okay. Repetition helps your brain learn faster.
Let's do a short conversation practice.
James, what did you do yesterday?
I went to the park. I saw a tree. I saw birds. I walked and listened to music.
Very good. I went to the shop. I bought an apple. The apple is red. I ate it.
Nice. Very simple, very clear.
Learners, the key is continuous speaking for 5 minutes every day.
Yes. And if you miss a day, don't worry. Just start again tomorrow.
Exactly. Small, consistent practice is better than long, rare practice.
Great. That's the first 5-minute trick. Speak every day for 5 minutes.
James, we will continue with the second tip to become fluent faster.
Yes, Ella. The second tip is think in English while speaking.
Exactly. Many learners first think in their language and then translate. That is slow.
Yes. Instead, try to make sentences directly in English.
For example, instead of thinking, I want to drink coffee in your language first, just think in English, I want coffee.
Very short, very simple, and your brain works faster.
Let's practice together. James, what do you want for breakfast?
I want eggs. I want bread. I drink tea.
Perfect. And learners, try to describe your day in English in your mind.
For example, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Exactly. Small sentences, but you think directly in English.
You can also describe your room. I see a chair. The chair is brown. I see a table. The table is big.
Yes. Or describe your pets. I have a dog. The dog is happy. The dog plays with a ball.
Good. And learners, do not worry about mistakes. Just think in English.
Right. The goal is fluency, not perfection.
Let's do a short conversation practice.
James, what are you doing now?
I am reading a book. The book is interesting.
Good. I am drinking tea. The tea is hot. I like it.
Perfect. Very simple, very natural.
Remember, learners, thinking in English will help you speak faster.
Yes, combine this with speaking 5 minutes every day.
Exactly. Your brain will start producing English sentences automatically.
Yes, step by step, you will stop translating in your head.
And don't forget to practice daily. Even 5 minutes is enough.
Small steps every day make big improvements.
Great. That's the first 5-minute trick. Speak every day for 5 minutes.
James, we will continue with the second tip to become fluent faster.
Yes, Ella. The second tip is visualize in English.
Exactly. Visualize means imagine objects, actions, or situations in your mind in English.
For example, if you want to say, I eat an apple, imagine yourself holding a red apple and saying in English, I eat an apple.
Perfect. Don't translate from your language. Just see the apple and think the English words.
Let's practice. James, imagine a cat.
I see a small cat. The cat is white.
Good. Now make a sentence.
The cat is white. The cat is small.
Excellent. Learners, you can visualize anything, a dog, a car, or a house.
Yes, every morning you can imagine your breakfast. I eat bread, I drink tea.
Or imagine walking outside. I see a tree, the tree is green. I see a car, the car is red.
Fun! You can even make a short story. I go to the park, I see a dog, the dog plays with a ball, I am happy.
Let's do a conversation practice.
James, what do you see now?
I see a window. The window is big. I see the sun. The sun is bright.
Great! I see a table, the table is brown. I see a cup, the cup is white.
Perfect. You're visualizing and speaking at the same time.
Learners, visualize and speak in English every day. Your brain will stop translating automatically.
Yes, step by step, your sentences will come naturally.
You can combine this with speaking 5 minutes a day and thinking in English.
Then your English fluency will grow much faster.
Remember, even if your sentences are simple, the important thing is practice.
Yes, 5 minutes of visualization every day makes a big difference.
James, now we will talk about the fourth tip for faster English fluency.
Yes, the fourth tip is speak out loud.
Exactly. Speaking out loud helps your brain think in English faster and builds confidence.
Even if you feel silly at first, it works. Just say simple sentences. I eat bread. I drink water. I see a cat.
Perfect. Speaking out loud trains your mouth and your brain together.
Let's practice. James, tell me what you do in the morning.
I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I drink tea.
Great. Now, learners, you can describe your room out loud. I see a table. The table is brown. I see a chair. The chair is small.
And you can describe your pet too. I have a dog, the dog plays, the dog is happy.
Yes, short, simple sentences are perfect. You can combine all previous tips. Speak 5 minutes, think in English, visualize, and speak out loud.
Exactly. For example, imagine your breakfast, then speak out loud. I eat bread. I drink tea. I see a cup. The cup is white.
Very good. The key is consistency. 5 minutes every day is enough.
Yes, and learners, don't worry about mistakes. Just continue speaking. Your fluency will improve naturally. Let's do a conversation practice. James, what did you do yesterday?
I went to the park. I saw a dog. The dog played with a ball. I was happy.
Great. I went to the shop. I bought an apple. The apple is red and sweet. I eat it.
Perfect. You are speaking out loud, thinking in English, and visualizing.
Yes, even repeating sentences is okay. Your brain learns patterns.
Exactly. Speak about your day, your home, your pets, or your hobbies.
And learners, try to speak in complete short sentences, not just single words.
Short sentences are enough. The goal is continuous speaking for 5 minutes.
Combine this with visualization and thinking in English. You will notice improvement quickly.
Yes, small daily practices make a big difference over time.
Let's combine everything. 1. Speak 5 minutes every day. 2. Think in English. 3. Visualize. 4. Speak out loud. And 5. Use simple sentences.
Right. Now, let's make a long conversation using all 5 tips naturally.
Ella, what do you see in your room right now? I see a table. The table is brown. I see a cup. The cup is white. I drink water from the cup.
Perfect. I see a chair. The chair is small. I sit on the chair. I read a book.
Very good. You are thinking and speaking in English without translating.
Yes. And learners, you can describe your breakfast. I eat bread. I drink tea. The tea is hot.
Great idea. Or describe your pets. I have a dog. The dog is happy. The dog plays with a ball.
Fun and simple.
Now, let's make a small story in English.
I go to the park. I see a tree. The tree is green. I see a bird. The bird sings. I am happy.
Very good. I go to the shop. I buy an apple. The apple is red and sweet. I eat it.
Excellent. And learners, you can practice this every day. Visualize, speak, think, and describe.
Yes. Repeat sentences, speak out loud, and your fluency will improve naturally.
Let's do a short dialogue now.
James, what are you doing today?
I wake up. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I read a book. I go for a walk.
Great. I see a window. The window is big. The sun is shining. I am happy.
Perfect. You're using simple sentences, thinking in English, visualizing, and speaking out loud.
Yes, learners, keep practicing like this. Even 5 minutes a day makes a huge difference.
Small, consistent steps every day lead to big improvements.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today. Remember to use all 5 tips, speak 5 minutes, think in English, visualize, speak out loud, and use simple sentences.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Your support helps us make more videos and practice with you.
Keep practicing every day, speak confidently, and soon you will notice your fluency growing naturally.
See you next time.